Hello my people, in this video we will see how to fix TikTok authorization failure on iPhone. The first pass is download the app, in this case TikTok, right? And next we have some solutions. But first, we go to the singing and security, and next is back and go to the general settings and VPN and device management, and here is not connected. This is correct option, the correct option. We go back and go to the date at time, 24-hour time on, where we go to the TikTok and back and go to the settings, general, and iPhone storage. Search TikTok, click TikTok and click in Overflow app. Click Overflow app, and next go to the store and search TikTok. Download this app. Wait a minute. And in this case is all. This is the correct process for this problem. If you like the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.